The flour in your pantry has bugs in it. And if you don't see them now, you might want to use that flour before they start to hatch. You see, there are these bugs called flour weevils, and their eggs basically live in every bag of flour that you could ever buy. That is because female flour weevils will typically lay their eggs inside of whole wheat grains. And whenever those wheat grains are milled down into flour, the eggs don't get destroyed. That is because the eggs are so tiny that they just reside in the flour. So when you buy a bag of flour, you're not only getting that bag of flour, you're also getting a ton of flour weevil eggs with it. Meaning you only have about 2 weeks with that flour before those eggs start to hatch and make your flour look absolutely disgusting. Now, it is important to note that flour weevils are completely harmless, and if you see them in your flour, you could typically just sift them out. But if you want to save yourself the disgust and you know you're not going to use your flour within 2 weeks, you have a few options as to how to destroy the eggs. With option number one being if you have 4 to 7 days to spare, you can put your flour in the freezer for that amount of time, as flour weevil eggs can't really survive in that temperature for that duration, causing them to no longer be able to hatch. However, if you don't have that much time, there is a second option for you. That being, you can put your flour in the oven at 130 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes, which can also completely eliminate the flour weevil eggs from your flour. After which, you're going to want to put the flour in an airtight container so that no other bugs can get to it. And if this video has reminded you that you have flour in your pantry that you haven't used in a while, you might just want to pop that sucker in the freezer.